Login failed on OANDA App Fix. You open the OANDA app to check your Forex trades, but instead of your dashboard, you see login failed. It's frustrating, but the surprising truth is that this error usually comes from something small and easy to fix. First, check your network connection. OANDA requires a secure and stable internet connection for login verification. If you're on weak Wi-Fi or a public hotspot, switch to mobile data or a private connection. It might sound simple, but this alone fixes the issue most of the time. Next, make sure your app is updated. Outdated versions can lose compatibility with OANDA's current servers. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search OANDA, and tap Update if once available. Now, manually re-enter your username and password. Don't rely on autofill, it might store incorrect or outdated credentials. If you've recently changed your password, double-check that you're using the most recent one. If you're using two-step verification, make sure your phone's time is set automatically. OANDA's time-based codes depend on exact synchronization. Even a few seconds off can cause login failures. Still not working? Try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, OANDA Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove any corrupted data. Another tip: avoid locking in from multiple devices at the same time. OANDA sometimes blocks logins from simultaneous sessions for security reasons. Occasionally, the issue may come from OANDA's servers during maintenance or updates. Wait a few minutes and try again later. If none of these steps work, reset your password or contact OANDA's support team to verify your account access. So next time you see login failed on OANDA, don't stress. Check your network, update your app, clear your cache, and verify your credentials. With these quick steps, you'll be back monitoring the markets and trading confidently in no time.